Starting downstairs, 2116 East Hoffman, we've got a new water heater, new HVAC, and a fully finished basement that you can stand straight up in and enjoy. Or just check out this basement. Lots of room here. You could even split this into 2 rooms if you wanted to. And in the back over here, that's fine. The light switch. Ta-da! And we've got a brand new washer and dryer here. Sump pump, sealed in. One of the coolest things about this house is the spiral staircase that goes from top to bottom. And this is not your normal spiral staircase. This thing is super heavy duty. I'm a pretty big guy, not afraid at all to be stepping on this. So when we get up, no hands, look at that. When we get up, we pop up. We're gonna pop right into the kitchen here. In this kitchen, gorgeous cabinets, all stainless steel appliances, plenty of room. We wanted to have a table in here as well, plenty of room to spread out, but you do have a real life dining room, and even better, a half bathroom, which is better, full dining room or half bathroom on the first floor. I don't know, they're both great. You don't have to choose. Extra lighting here, window, push forward. We've got a really superb living room with glass fireplace, room for a TV, nice and cool in here, plenty of room for entertaining. This is just simply gorgeous. Soak it in. And here we sneak peek of Elmas, the listing agent. We're gonna pop upstairs and take a look, doing this without even looking at the stairs, which is amazing for me. Because it's nice, so nice and secure. You don't have to worry about falling or anything. So here we go, upstairs now. Going into the front, ceiling fan and light. It's so nice to have ceiling fans and light, lots of natural light coming in. And look at that, folks. Walk-in closet. Plenty of room here. This is a huge room. We got in here, full bathroom, subway tile, black and white, very classic, very nice. Nicely done with the little inlays in the shower. So you can put all your stuff, nice touches. Plenty of light. And then we have a secondary bedroom here, room for a little closet over here. It's not much. Could be a baby room, an office, for your not favorite child, whatever it is that you want to, whoever you want to put in here. Here we go, into the owner's suite. The owner's suite here. Closet. Full bathroom with a tub and the beautiful inlays, so you can put everything in there. Beautiful view out the back. Here's the owner's suite from the other angle. Gorgeous. Come make this one your own. Here's the view from the front window. You see the beautiful park right across the street here. And I don't know if you can make it out in the distance there, but there's Johns Hopkins and there's downtown Baltimore. So you're within walking or riding or even skateboarding distance from everything you want to go see.